Hello, hello, hello. Wes Griffith here, Collier RV, Rockford, Illinois, your family-owned dealership since 1961. And we are going to take a look at the brand new Thrive trailer line from Winnebago Industries. We'll start on the outside, go around real quick, and then we'll do the inside. They want me to be as fast as possible. This is hard for me to do, but we'll see. So you start on the outside, power tongue jack. Matter of fact, there's power jacks all the way around, and they're all individually controlled. Nice big fancy window on the front, which brings lots of natural light into the bedroom area. But this actually has what's called a stripe guard on the glass itself to help you when you get hit by little stones or something like that. Love the integrated LED light strips. Huge front storage that is lit. Gigantic awning on this unit. And this actually has some pretty innovative things. So love the new composite steps. They are wider, especially at the main landing, and they have fantastic traction even when they get soaking wet. Believe me, I have slipped on metal steps many a times. High-grade fiberglass on this baby. This is backed with Asdale, so resist mold, mildew. It's great soundproofing, just lasts longer and works better. JBL electronics inside and outside. This will have Dexter axles, aluminum rims. Let's see, what else? Let's walk around the back. Integrated ladder. You will not only get your standard 4-inch steel bumper that most trailers have, but they also give you a 2-inch receiver. There's 1,000,001 accessories that will go on that. This is outside hot and cold water. This is a very big detachable plug because this is a 50 amp unit because we ordered it with 2 ACs. You have a tankless water heater. Little known fact, so this is made by a company called Suburban. There's 2 versions, the 42 and the 60, and that tells you what their BTUs are. Winnebago actually uses the nicer 60,000 BTU version, so that is certainly a good thing. Sewer outlet, beautiful decals. Of course, this, the other side of the huge pass-through storage. But let's take a look inside, because there's a lot of cool stuff inside too. So before you even follow me in here,
Yeah.
a lot of cool little things. So I don't know what you would put here. It's right inside the door, maybe a dog leash. I mean, who knows? And then there's and you'll find this in a few nicer units. This is a nice place to put shoes. Now, as you walk in, you'll notice that the countertop looks a little weird, a little bit different. So this is actually one piece of fiberglass that is custom molded, right? So there are no seams on this. It's all one piece seamless. Every single one of the cabinets and drawers in this unit, including in the bathroom, are all soft close with high quality hinges. And for those of you that have watched my videos before, they're magnets to keep them closed. I love that. You open this drawer and look, there's a little slidable utensil holder, drawer, insert. I'll call it an insert. Inside here, it actually comes out. So super nice. You open the one below it. Now you don't have to figure out where to put your garbage can. There's actually a place for it. Huge windows with blackout shades on all of them. Oversized dinette. Easily play a giant board game on this thing. The recliners are custom American-made furniture from Winnebago. Love that. All these puck lights are super nice. They're all recessed. Every single light bulb inside and out is LED on this unit. As you come into the bathroom, you'll find that same super nice custom molded sink inside here made of a piece of fiberglass. Big storage on both sides. And then they even go a little bit further, right? So they're going to give you some little towel hooks here and above the toilet. Oversized shower, it's 30 by 36 inches. So even a slightly oversized fellow like me can easily fit inside there. That's super nice. And then again, you know, just some more storage under the sink and to the side of the sink. And then if we go into the bedroom, there's even more cool features. So inside the bedroom, this bed is actually what's called an Olympic queen. So it's 80 inches long like a normal queen, but it's 66 inches wide. So it's 6 inches wider than a normal residential queen. And then you'll have drawers, and even these are soft close. You'll have hanging on both sides of the bed. You'll have some overhead cabinets. You'll have, you know, reading lights and spotlights and little storage cubbies with both 110 power and USB on both sides of the bed. And over on this side of the wall, let's see if we can get in here. So you can use this as regular shelf storage. The shelves do come out, and you can use it as hanging, or you can take them all out, and there's provisions inside here for a washer dryer. So however you want to use it, you can. The new Thrive is just fantastic. I love it. I've always loved Winnebago. Been to their factory in Forest City several times. It's a great place and they're wonderful people. And I think the new Thrive is just going to be fantastic, and it's definitely going to take off here at Collier. Come in and check out the new Winnebago Thrive and the hundreds of other units that we have on our lot. Thank you.